Prime Minister Modi, during his interaction with Ayush professionals via video conferencing, underlined the importance of countering and fact-checking unsubstantiated claims of Ayush having a cure for the disease, adding that Ayush scientists, ICMR, CSIR and other research organizations must come together for evidence-based research. A 69-year-old man died due to coronavirus at Kochi Medical College today. This is the first death in Kerala due to the disease. The man had travel history to Dubai. Meanwhile, according to the Ministry of Health, 149 new coronavirus positive cases had been reported in 24 hours, taking the total positive cases in India to 873. The rise in cases is still being considered standard. Seema Mishra, a faculty member from the University of Hyderabad, has designed what can be a potential vaccine against the coronavirus called T-cell epitopes. The research is yet to be studied in vitro for conclusive evidence and has been shared with the scientific community, the university stated. An Infosys employee in Bengaluru has been arrested by the city crime branch for a shocking social media post urging people to go out and sneeze and spread the highly contagious COVID-19 virus. The employee, Mujib Mohammed, a resident of the city for 25 years, has been sacked by Infosys. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath today met nodal officers of all states and asked them to make arrangements for migrants in their respective states. The Chief Minister has reiterated his appeal to the people to stay wherever they are and follow government guidelines to fight COVID-19. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's meet with state representatives came amid movement of migrant labourers by foot to their hometowns in neighbouring states of Delhi after their livelihoods were disrupted due to the lockdown. States like Delhi, Uttar Pradesh say they are addressing the issue by opening up shelter and relief camps for them. The Uttar Pradesh government has arranged special buses to ferry migrants to their native villages. A notice issued by the Health Ministry has clarified that medicines may be issued for 3 months at a time in chronic diseases through an authorized representative in the special circumstances without requirement of the beneficiary visiting the wellness centers. These special circumstances are for cases of a patient over 60 years, a patient undergoing immunosuppressant treatment, uncontrolled diabetes, or for any other compelling reason that requires the patient to stay at home. Doordarshan and DD Bharati have begun retelecast of epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata respectively from today. Not just these two shows, DD will also rerun Circus and Byomkesh Bakshi during the 21-day Indian lockdown due to popular demand on social media.